everyone, my name is Shannon Morse. Welcome back to my YouTube channel all about tech and travel. Today I have another unboxing for you, and I have been really stoked about this one because this is from a company that I have respected for years, and I love the products that they come out with. This is a brand new press kit, which you can kind of tell that my cats have been walking on top of. Gotta love it when you have cats. This is a press kit from OnePlus. OnePlus is a manufacturer of Android phones. They are known as the flagship killer, and rightfully so. So this, I suspect, is the new OnePlus 7. So we're gonna go ahead and break into this box and find out. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm really excited to see what's in store. So the first thing I will notice is that on the front of this box, we do have this nice magnetic closure for the press kit. And when you open it, it says, "Go beyond speed." Ooh, what does it mean? So this folds straight out. Okay, so here it says "Never settle." This is most likely a little press kit inside of here. Yeah, it's a flyer that talks about probably the new product. So the front of this little booklet that we received as press has an outline kind of embossed of a phone. You can definitely tell it's a phone based on the shape, and then it has a really pretty art print in the background. It says OnePlus and Go Beyond Speed Reviewer's Guide. So this is a whole guide for reviewers to check out whenever they are reviewing the phone. And then, oh, maybe I should not open it yet because I don't know exactly what's in here. So I'm just gonna leave it to the side right now, and we will come back to the book for the specs, but we are going to start with what's in the box. All right, so we are going to start with some accessories first of all. So this says Qualcomm aptX HD on the back of it. It is a OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 set of headphones. So these are wireless headphones that you can use. They come in black. Very pretty, and they are in-ear style, which is really cool. I will grab my knife so I can actually open those and let you see what they look like on the inside. I also received this nice little box. This is a OnePlus Warp Charge 30 car charger in graphite. So this probably enables you to do OnePlus's fast charging. It's called Warp Charge now. That's interesting. I've never heard that terminology before. In your car, which is great because I constantly need to charge my phone in my car. It's usually because I'm running maps, for example. And lastly, but certainly not least, we received the OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is the Pro OnePlus 7. On the back of it, it says, "The OnePlus community is the best place to learn about your device, meet new friends, and enter exclusive contests. Join us through the community app on your phone." And this is a recyclable box, which is very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife so we can open these and see exactly what's in store. So the first thing, as mentioned before, are these new earbuds. These are the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. The packaging for them is just gorgeous. I really like how OnePlus does all of their packaging. It's really nice, smooth material that they use for all of the boxes, and all of them are the same color too, as you would expect from OnePlus. So let's see. So here are the headphones. It does look like they come with, what is this, a little charging case, likely? That's really cool. Nice little case comes with them. There's also a couple of different size earbuds, which is perfect because a lot of times I feel they fit me really awkwardly if they're in-ear earbuds. So I definitely will check these out and do a separate review of them and see how they actually work and see what kind of quality we're getting out of these. Next we have the car charger. So this is probably very simplistic, just a simple car charger. It looks like this one features one USB port on the top of it. Oops, there we go. It's kind of strange that they're not USB-C yet, but this is the Warp car charger. It does feature one USB port on the top of it. It is not USB-C as mentioned, and it's about the same size as my Anchor USB charger that I currently have in my car. However, this one will likely do a lot faster. Let's see what kind of rates we're looking at. Output of 5 volt 6 amp max, 5 volt 2 amp standard, so warp and standard. And then it says input is 12 volts, 24 volts, 4.5 amps. Cool, yeah, so it'll definitely do pretty fast charging with that 6 amps and 5 volts, so yay. All right, and lastly, we got the OnePlus 7. Yay. So the little community badge up at the top just slides right off like so. The box opens up really nicely and smoothly. Ta-da! So at the very top of it, it looks like we actually got a case with the phone, which is very cool that it came in the box. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you so much. There's an invitation letter, and it's a clear case. I know from experience that these clear cases, after a long time, they will start to get dyed and they will start to lose the prettiness that a clear case has, especially these TPU type of silicone ones. For example, I have one TPU case kind of like that I bought from my Google 3XL, and that one started getting dyed blue from my blue jeans. So kind of fun there, but it is definitely something to keep in mind. There is a SIM slot ejector included, which is nice, and a couple of stickers. And of course you have all the regulatory paperwork as well. Next up, of course, we have the phone, and the phone is wrapped in nice plastic to keep it nice and safe. I believe this copy is the Nebula Blue version. Ooh, ooh, I like that a lot. I'm gonna cover up my little Mac ID on there. You can tell it's an ombre blue back and forth. Wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that color. That is so cool. It's very impressive in person, I will say. Definitely impressive in person. Looks a lot better than all the pictures showed. The pictures just do not do it justice. There you go. Now you can see the whole thing. Isn't that pretty? I really like it. It's beautiful. It's a big phone too. It's definitely big. Curved glass on the front. So one thing I can tell right off the bat is that it's got triple cameras on the back, which is insane. I can't wait to check that out. I don't know where the lens is. Oh, right. It pops up. Oh, we got a pop-up camera. So we should have the full bezel-less screen on the front of it too. Ooh, that's fun. Okay, I'll get back to that in a second. In here as well, we have the Warp charger. This charger is larger than what you get with your Pixel devices as well as like Motorola phones. So this is a much larger charger. Hopefully that means that it also charges faster too. And then again, weirdly, we are stuck on traditional USB as opposed to USB-C. The USB cable that is included in the box does have USB-C on it for the phone's side, so that's nice. And it is a very nice long cable too, so I do appreciate that they put that in the box. Okay, so let's talk about this OnePlus 7 real quick. So this is a fully loaded device. So this does come with the Snapdragon 855, and it does have 12 gigs of RAM, which is really, really nice. UFS storage 3.0. The screen on this is a 6.67, so it is rather large. And one thing I've been really interested about with this phone is the fact that it comes with a 48 megapixel triple camera setup. So the cameras on this thing, on the back at least, are 48 megapixels, which megapixels don't mean that much. The pixel density is really what you want to look at. So I'm curious to see how good this actually does. It does include wide angle, and it does include a 3x optical zoom as well. So it's supposed to be a really, really nice camera. Can't wait to test it against my Google Pixel phones too. The battery on this is 4,000 milliamp per hour, so it's really, really big. Hopefully that means that because it's got this nice big screen, it's AMOLED, that means that it'll last all day. We'll definitely test that too. I'll take it out and do some Pokemon Go with it and make sure it works. It's got dual speakers too, so this thing is all sorts of decked out. I will give you my full review over on TechThing, which is over at youtube.com/TEKthing. And in the future, I will be doing a whole lot of reviews over here as well. So definitely subscribe if you haven't yet, because this thing is going to be seeing a lot of time on my personal YouTube channel. Well, I think that is pretty much it with the OnePlus 7 Pro that I wanted to include in this video. I just wanted to do the unboxing on today's video for y'all, just so you can get a first look and see what it looks like and get some of my opinions on it based right out of the box. It is a gorgeous phone. It feels like it's really nice quality, and I believe that these are priced fairly well. So I'm really excited to get hands-on with it and start doing some testing, and I'm definitely going to have you follow along with me in the process. So big thanks to OnePlus for sending over the OnePlus 7 Pro for a review. I'm super excited to check it out. And of course, if you have any questions about this phone, as well as the Pixel 3a, which I just unboxed on the channel as well, definitely leave those comments below because I do check them. I really appreciate the likes and the subscribes as well. It all helps support everything that I do here as far as tech and travel goes. So thank you so much to everyone for watching. Again, I'm Shannon Morse, and I will see you in just a few days with another video. Bye! Hey everyone, editor Shannon Morse here, and before I end this video, I wanted to go ahead and announce a winner of a giveaway that I did over on Twitter. So if you don't already follow me on Twitter, which you totally should, I was giving away Practical Packet Analysis, which is a Wireshark tutorial book that is published by No Starch Press and written by Chris Sanders. It's a really, really good book. I use this for tons and tons of my tutorials over on the Hack5 channel. So I wanted to give this book away since I finally finished it, and I found a winner over on Twitter. So to the winner, make sure you send me a DM with your shipping information and I'll get this in the mail ASAP. So I wanted to go ahead and announce the winner here, and that winner is Deacon1, aka @SMorganEnt. Congratulations, Deacon1. He said, I would love to have that as I graduate from college next month and could use that as I start my cybersecurity career. So I definitely think this will help with your cybersecurity career. Also, congratulations on starting your career. That's a huge, huge goal to get into, so very, very exciting. And again, just make sure to DM me so that I can get your shipping info and send this out ASAP, and if you want me to, I'll sign it for you as well. Thank you so much to everybody who entered the giveaway. I am so excited because I have a lot more giveaways in store for you coming up very, very soon, so make sure to subscribe if you have not already, and I hope you enjoyed my video today.